What is the difference between shallow copy, deep copy, and normal assignment operation? I get the following results. If I perform deep copy, results are the same. If I work on assignment operations, then results are. Can somebody explain what exactly makes a difference between the copies? Is it something related to mutable and immutable objects? If so, can you please explain it to me?
Normal assignment operations will simply point the new variable towards the existing object. The docs explain the difference between shallow and deep copies. The difference between shallow and deep copying is only relevant for compound objects, objects that contain other objects, like lists or class instances. A shallow copy constructs a new compound object and then, to the extent possible, inserts references into it to the objects found in the original. A deep copy constructs a new compound object and then, recursively, inserts copies into it of the objects found in the original. Here's a little demonstration. Using normal assignment operatings to copy. Using a shallow copy. Using a deep copy.
For immutable objects, there is no need for copying because the data will never change, so Python uses the same data. IDs are always the same. For mutable objects, since they can potentially change, shallow copy creates a new object. Deep copy is related to nested structures. If you have list of lists, then deep copy copies the nested lists also, so it is a recursive copy. With just copy, you have a new outer list, but inner lists are references. Assignment does not copy. It simply sets the reference to the old data. So you need copy to create a new list with the same contents.
For immutable objects, creating a copy don't make much sense since they are not going to change. For mutable objects assignment, copy and deep copy behaves differently. Let's talk about each of them with examples. An assignment operation simply assigns the reference of source to destination, e.g. Now I and j technically refers to same list. Both I and j have same memory address. Any updation to either of them will be reflected to the other. E.g. On the other hand, copy and deep copy creates a new copy of variable. So now changes to original variable will not be reflected to the copy variable and vice versa. However, copy shallow copy don't creates a copy of nested objects, instead it just copies the reference of nested objects. Deep copy copies all the nested objects recursively. Some examples to demonstrate behavior of copy and deep copy. Flat list example using copy. Nested list example using copy. flat list example using deepcopy. Nested list example using deepcopy.
Let's see in a graphical example how the following code is executed.